If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip them girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so for to the face here, the voice, and you don't know say KOGENCY, but KOGENCY rocks chatter. And today we have Beyond Scared Straight, funniest, memorable moments, A and E. Now, I have two reasons for doing this. One, Oxy, my nigga Oxy said, yo, bro, it would have been an amazing idea to watch you react to some Beyond Scared Straight. I was like, yes. Because even before you said it, I had it in the playlist to do it when I ran out of like drill stuff to react to. But then I did find some stuff and then I took it out. But I'm still going to do it today. The second reason is we've been reacting to the story of a lot of our favorite rappers and just drillers. It's crazy that we have favorite drillers, dog. That's mad. But it's, you know, our favorite drillers and from Drillers UK, you know what I'm saying, with the whole heap of information. So go and check those out because those are going to get uploaded before this. So go and check all of those out, you understand? And you would see that I set up. I even started with breakfast this morning, bro. I had like waffles on this tray and hot chocolate in here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Nothing in there no more, bro. All I have is my water. I started at 8 o'clock. It is now 2:11 p.m. All right? So, I've been putting in that work. But anyway, man, we've been watching a lot of those stories. And just in case any of you, man, was thinking about jumping on the road or listening to any of those stories and feel like you want to be that guy, we're going to watch some Beyond Scared Straight so you know what it's like, you know what I'm saying? So you don't have to be that guy. But it's the funny moments, though. So it's not even like they're going to show, you know what I'm saying? They probably make it look like a joke thing. But anyway, man, I'm ready to see this, man, because Beyond Scared Straight is a funny-ass clip. And I even know this clip already. So, yo, hit that like button. Jump in the comments for no reason at all. Just do it because you can. I understand. Or don't do it because you can, nigga. Shit, nigga, it's you, nigga. It's your life. Do what you want to do. I can't tell you what to do. I stay on. Yeah, bro. You can tell, bro. My brain is gone. You understand? But let's go.
Come on. Huh?
I can't.
Why you can't?
Because the door's not open all the way.
It's not open all the way.
Open the door some more. Let's
Open the door some more. He said the door wasn't open.
I'm Seth, I'm 14, and I'm an wage shop.
The man was on smoke. Seth at 14, bro. Now when I see these ages and these appearances, I don't exclude anybody from the violence, fam. Anybody can do it. That's what Jill taught me.
When I'm suspended, I feel like, thank God, I'm away from those idiots. My IQ is 120. I like to do parkour.
Yeah. Watch it.
My son is out of control.
Watch it.
I messed up.
Fam, where is your father? No. First of all, man said, I like to do parkour. Then the man just fling himself upon the ground. Go on to the youth, yeah? Look at it. That's parkour now? Alright, guys. I like parkour. See there? You see what? You see there? Almost mash up, man. Look how my beautiful lights are here, bro. And I'm ready to mash it up. Because I want to do parkour. No, man. Sorry, baby.
My son is out of control.
Watch it. Yeah! Who is this guy? Where is your father? Look at his arm. That man can hurt you. All of them can.
The door is not open wide. Okay. Guess where you staying tonight?
Yeah.
Here.
You damn right.
You damn right. Coco. Whoa. You can't have my nickname, bro. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's a nickname I give myself called KOGENCY Coco. You understand? But hey. Listen. He said the door ain't open all the way, huh? Well, guess where you sleeping tonight, little nigga? Right here. Yeah, nigga, you ought to be smart. Yeah, nigga, be smart now, nigga. The nigga will play with your booty.
Where you staying tonight?
Here.
You damn right you are.
Feel your heart beating through your shirt. Are you scared?
I don't got to be scared.
Well, why is your heart pounding like a little girl?
I can't kill me.
I can't kill me. It makes no sense.
Y'all can't kill me.
You can slip and fall in a banana peel. You can get in a car wreck. You can fall off a bridge.
You could have an aneurysm on the toilet. You never know.
It makes
you could have an aneurysm on the toilet. You never know. What? Who is this guy, bro? Who says that? Who says stuff like that? Why is he saying stuff like that? Bro, and why is my shit all fucked up, fam? Stop. Dog, it's all leaned over to the side now, man. Shit. Wait. Yes, let's go, gang. Let's go.
You sound uneducated.
You sound uneducated. Bro, I know you think you're getting to him, but Coco left there, so bro, and went straight back to the gang, fam. I swear to you. Because the thing is, once he leaves there and he's back around the gang, all of your morals and principles that you instilled in him is just slowly getting broken down as soon as he goes back around these people. So as long as they're in these violent, toxic, unhealthy environments, you're going to produce violent, toxic, and unhealthy people. Simple.
Anybody can kill you. You can slip and fall in the banana peel. You can get in a car wreck. You can fall off a bridge.
You could have an aneurysm
On
on
the
the
toilet!
You never know.
You never
It
know.
makes you sound uneducated and rather stupid. You just think you hard. You think it's all about Mr. Coco. You see those guys over there? They're gonna leave marshmallows in your cocoa.
They're gonna leave marshmallows in your cocoa, nigga. Fam, no, I don't want anybody to tell me that, bro. You see, I'm staying right here, bro. I'm putting bro, you know, I had marshmallows in my hot cocoa this morning. You know that? No, nobody put no marshmallows in my cocoa. I put actual marshmallows in my cocoa. Don't play with me like that. Them niggas ain't touching my booty.
Anthony?
Yeah,
How old are you?
19.
What grade you in?
Senior, my last year.
No, he's in the 10th grade.
Senior's graduating, man. You understand that?
Yeah.
So you're not a senior.
Are you in the 10th grade, yes or no? Are you in the 10th grade, yes or no?
No.
You're a liar.
You're in the 10th
You're
grade.
in the 10th grade.
I only got 10th grade credits because I.
That's 10th grade.
I'm talking.
Take them off.
What? The man said, man, I ain't in the 10th grade. I just got 10th grade credits. Bro, what? Nigga, you in the 10th grade. Nigga, you dumb as hell. That's why, you know what I'm saying, being bad is like, can I be bad and smart? Like, why all these bad niggas gotta be dumb? Like, why most of y'all niggas just dumb? That's why I don't want to be bad, bro, because I'm smarter than y'all niggas. I want to be around a bunch of dumb niggas. But anyway, I'm trying to fix that shit on my head. Anyway, I need a Santa. I will probably follow that Santa hat next time.
Take them off, both off.
Give me those shoes.
Give me those shoes.
Give me those shoes.
Give me those
Take 'em
shoes.
off.
Take them out.
Take them off. Take off those shoes,
Take
right?
'em.
You want to wait? You want me to take them out? Give me those shoes before I take them off.
Take
so
off
y'all
your
twins? I'm a twin too.
I'm a twin too.
I got identical twin brother.
He
He's
dead.
locked up too. Let me get those.
Let me get those.
my shoes.
Wait. It's a twin episode? No. Be unscared straight. How? No. How did you manage to find 3 sets of violent twins, of bad behaving twins, to bring them on the show at the same time? No, that's mad.
You got your fist balled up.
Got your face balled up.
I'm not scared. So you tough?
Yes, I am.
Why are you here?
Yes, I am.
Disrespectful towards my parents, fighting my mom.
Your mom says you whoop her ass.
No, she whoop her ass.
Who does that? Who does that?
Who does that?
She's tougher than she looks.
She's tougher than she
I'm
looks.
bringing-
What?
I'm 12. I lie. I've gotten into physical altercations with my parents, and I'm disrespectful.
Wait. But that's different though, because he's actually like conscious of what he's doing bad. So it's like the other ones, they're like, you know, gloating in it, but he's like kind of not, kind of feel sorry for him, you know? Maybe his parents are abusive.
You like to fight your mama, but you scared of us. What type of real is you? Huh?
I'm not.
Oh, now you ain't.
I never was.
What you got your mama for? Answer me, what you with your mama? I'm gonna be your mama when you come in.
Whoa! No. Nigga say, I'm gonna be your mama when you come in here, nigga. No, nigga. That means I ain't going in there then. He ain't finna be my mama, nigga. Fuck out of there. Nigga say, I'm gonna be your mama when you come in here, nigga.
You got your mama for? Answer me, what you with your mama? I'm gonna be your mama when you come in.
I'm gonna be your mama when you come in here, nigga. No. Stop saying stuff like that. You can't say stuff like that, bro. You gotta stop. Stop. I'm being serious, dog. Stop saying stuff like that.
I want you to hold this for me.
Here, hold this.
Hold
this
this.
Kool-Aid. We put this on bitches like you. Lick
put
your
this-
lips. Now stick your hand in that Kool-Aid. Just stick it in there. Now take your finger, just do this to the bottom one. Come here. I kiss you.
Man, I
you
kiss
orange
you.
flavor mother.
Whoa! What? Whoa! Whoa, bro! I need to This is too much, dog. Jesus! Oh my God! Should I replay that? Like that kind of made me uncomfortable. Gee, why is my shit so fucked up, man? Where did I fuck it up? Weird. Like the guy fuck it up. Man, it's this shit, bro. This shit just not staying on it, dog. Anyways, bro. Even if it don't stay, I don't care. What that nigga just said scarred me for life. I don't want to hear that shit ever again. But we have to start over the clip. We have to. We have to.
This Kool-Aid. We put this on bitches like you.
We put this on
Lick
bitches
your
like
lips.
you.
Now stick your hand in that Kool-Aid. Just stick it in there. Now take your finger, just do this to the bottom one.
Why is he looking at me? He's like,
I kiss you. Orange flavor mother.
what the fuck, bro? Like, surely there's a point in the show where you get kind of too up close and personal, bro. Suppose the you actually just lean forward a little bit on accident. Or suppose this prison... Don't do that, man. Don't do that, man. Stop. Dog, it's 11 minutes and I'm only 3 minutes into the video, dog. I can't do this.
Man, you a hard. You want to hold? There you go.
Watch it, yo!
Try me. Yeah, try me. I want you to try me. I want you to try me. Try.
Yo, man. Nigga literally lift it up in the air like this. Like, chop me, nigga. Chop me, I'll kill you. I could literally lift you in the air, bro. I'm gonna drop you on your fucking head, nigga. Get out of here. Why you so bad? Punch a nigga dead in his mouth. But yo, this show is crazy, dog. Look at this. They're doing push-ups and he was like, yo, fuck this shit. Come here, nigga.
Man, you a hard. You want to hold? There you go. You want to try me? Try me. Yeah, try me. I want you to try me. I want you to try me. Try.
You know T.I.? Huh? For real? So why you got your hair cut like that?
You know what? Instead of 50 cents, I think it's about a nickel. What do you think?
Yeah. You 3 cents, right?
Instead of 50 cents, it's probably a nickel, right? At first, I heard he's probably a nigger, right? Hey, hear me out, bro. Hear me out, bro. Nickel and nigger sounds alike, bro. Especially in an American accent. Instead of 50 cents, I call him a nickel. Instead of 50 cents, I call him a nigger. Nigger. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of close still. Listen.
T.I.? Huh? For real? So why you got your hair cut like that?
You know what? Instead of 50 cents, I think it's about a nickel. What do you think?
It's about a nigger.
Yeah. You 3 cents, right?
Turn around!
Whoa. That was a female? I thought that was a nigger.
Around! Are you there? Turn around! This is not a joke. This is not a game. This is a lifestyle. We live here. Once you here, you're only a number. Who's talking to you?
You are.
Then look at me and pay attention.
God damn. She looks nothing like a female, bro. God damn.
You are.
Then look at me and pay attention.
Shit! The silence was wow. It was deafening, blood. That shit was loud as hell.
Then look at me and pay attention.
Like, look at me, nigga.
Everything.
What?
You don't want to do your room. You don't want to do housework. You don't want to do yard work.
You don't want to do nothing.
I just want you to stay here just for a little while. Yeah.
So we keep...
No.
Hey, come on. We keep him.
Let's go.
Fam, do they think that this actually... All right, maybe, dog. But if it reached to the point where you have to take your kid here, you fucked up as a parent a long time ago, baby. I'm sorry. Like, that's not that nigga's fault. The nigga don't know shit, nigga. The nigga ain't been on earth as long as you. You know what I'm saying, bro? Like, But let's see what they do to this little nigga. He ugly as hell.
So we keep...
No.
Come on.
Let's go.
I would not want to be in jail because you can get beat up, raped, and
you can get hurt. I also would not want to be in jail because it's not the life for me.
Do you really think that I should take you home today?
Yes. Jail is a bad place to be in because it kind of smells funny.
You see? It kind of smells funny. Bro, I doubt that any of, like, the small percentage of the kids that actually went here actually didn't, like, what's am I trying to say? A small percentage of the kids that actually went there actually stopped being bad. Like, majority of the kids, nigga, like, you think you sent me here for 1 day, nigga. I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna be back on the block. What you think? You not gonna be on the block with me? I'm gonna be outside doing bad shit. Hood rat shit with my hood rat friends.
What's up? You like to fight, homie? That's what you like to do, huh? You little bitch. You's a bitch, homie. You's a Pop-Tart. I see right through you, homie.
He's a bitch.
My number is 110-330-1808. I want these kids to know right now they got a chance. Your eyes glossy. Your eyes glossy, homie. You's a Pop-Tart. You sweet in the middle, homie.
Let me say your eyes glossy. I said it in one of my previous videos, you know, dog. Like, once you look in some of these niggas' eyes, you can tell the smoke that they're on, in a dog. And I technically proved my point. How many times am I going to be watching videos and they prove my points?
330-1808. I want these kids to know right now they got a chance. Your eyes glossy.
Your eyes glossy,
homie. You Pop-Tart. You sweet in the middle, homie. You soft. Pop-Tart. You got the decorations just like the Pop-Tarts. You Pop-Tarted out. You think you hard?
Nigga said, bro, as in, like, just looking at that kid, that's the only kid I've seen on the screen where I just want to, nigga, you talking about, I'm going to show you, nigga, what? Get cracking, bro. But anyway, man.
Jumping jack is. I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Jumping jacks. Ready?
Damn, Kendra.
Exercise, go. On,
Bro, why they doing that to the big girls, dog? Like, damn.
On, I can't hear you.
Zero. Who told you to stop?
My pants.
Who told you to stop?
I don't care about your pants. You better make sure they stay up. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Exercise, go. On,
Are you too tough to
Like, fam, she's struggling to keep the pants on. They don't give no fucks.
talk, huh?
My name is Brinley. I'm 17. I'm the nicest person ever.
He's the nicest person ever.
I know. It don't mean
What? I'm the nicest person ever. Then just shows him stamping on a phone, blood. Or whatever it was.
I know. It don't mean man. You punk. You touch me, I'll you up, man. I'll you up quick. I don't get about none of these in here. I don't get too.
One nigga think he tough, nigga.
You should have hit him. You hit it, that would be your mama. I asked you why you hit your mama. You told me because you was mad at her. She pissed you off. Why you didn't hit him? Who you trying to impress them? Y'all want him? Y'all like him? They don't want you.
They don't want you, nigga. They don't want you, nigga. Bro. Anyways, if I went there, I would have never went back, first of all. But you wouldn't have needed to take me there in the first place. That's what I'm saying. From me have to take them there, bro. You fucked up, man. You fucked up. You fucked up.
My name's Ethan and I'm 13 and I got in trouble for throwing books at teachers, disrespecting teachers, cussing out teachers, and fighting.
You don't think you're gonna cry?
Nope.
I think yours.
We're different. You're you and I'm me and I'm not gonna be scared.
Why are you smirking? Don't make me come across this county.
I don't know.
Why did you smirk at me?
He says he don't know. You can't speak up, can you?
Are you smirking
Why can't you
at
speak
me?
up?
Did you smirk because you think I'm funny? Did you smirk because you think I'm a jackass? How in the hell are you going to steal from an old woman?
Go ahead, wipe your little eyes. Go right ahead.
Oh, man, but that's... Like, me... Oh, man, I'm not sure if I would be scared of 3 bald-headed white guys. I'm not really scared of white guys like that in terms of in the prison, you know what I'm saying? Outside, they got the guns and they're the police, so that's why, you know what I'm saying? Fuck the Ascot. But inside, I would... But, nah, they're, like, probably smell like beer and stuff like that, so probably, yeah, I might have to, you know what I'm saying? Just be like, back up, man.
How in the hell are you going to steal from an old woman?
Go ahead, wipe your little eyes. Go right ahead. Go right ahead.
Go right ahead.
These guys want you. They want you. They're all fighting over you.
Watch it. There's no way. No. You saw what I just saw, right? No. What? First of all, is that a girl?
These guys want you. They want you.
Is that a girl? Bro, that looks like something from the grunge or whatever. And then look at this now. Look at this. Look right here.
It's okay. We'll make it better.
Nigga went in there and cried. God damn, that's the first nigga I seen. Well, not seen, but like he was like, nah, I ain't finna cry. All right, nigga. Let's see what Becky I gonna do. White girl Becky.
Any of y'all see me on the last show?
I did.
You did? They call me Ice Mike because I'm cold as ice.
I'm
back and I'm ready for round 2. I have my Kool-Aid ready. Matter of fact, bitch, you hold this.
Matter of fact,
you drop it, I'll smack out of you. I don't give a about going to no hole. What hood you from? Charlie. Man, Charlie's a bunch of bitches.
It's a bunch of bitches. I guess.
You don't know nothing about being real? Do you understand me, bitch? Go on, swing. I'll beat the out you.
Go ahead, swing.
Make my day, bitch.
Make my day.
Make it.
Oh.
Unball your fist before I smack out of you. Unball your fist, man.
Bro, look at the size of that nigga's arm. Even though he's in handcuffs, I'm unballing any fist, bro. I'm like, what you want me to do, bro? You want me to put it like this? Like, you want me to make a gang sign with it? Like, which gang you from, bro? Like, well, I need to... You know what I'm saying? Listen, look at that guy on the left. Because the guy that's talking to me has his shirt on, so the sleeves are covered. But the nigga on the left, his arms are as big as my head.
Unball your fist before I smack out of you. Unball your fist, man. You're smart, intelligent, dumb. But that ain't even make sense, did it?
But that hard head is gonna get you in a lot of trouble.
He just said a smart, intelligent, dumb nigga or dumb bitch.
You're smart, intelligent, dumb. But that ain't even make sense, did it?
But that hard head is gonna get you in a lot of trouble.
I'm cap my face, bitch. You better get your hand off that camera, boy, before I hit you in the back of your neck.
Let's go to the hill, man.
Hit you in the back of your neck.
I don't want to hear no crying.
Nigga said hit you in the back of your neck. Like, in his neck?
Your neck.
Your neck.
Hill, man. Let's go.
I don't want to hear no crying.
Hey, look at that face. Look at that face. Come on. Let's go.
Watch it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Nobody don't want to hear that. You should have been alert by now.
You better apologize to my camera crew, too.
I don't think you mean what you say.
I apologize for pushing your camera, sir.
Y'all really think
That I'm saying the nigga got humbled real quick at the man for yeah. Say it again.
What you say?
I apologize for pushing your camera, sir.
Yeah, he probably never gonna do no shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
y'all really think y'all are? Miami ain't number.
What I think is the process that it needs that a lot of these kids need to really break them down in terms of to strip all of that being bad mentality out of them head. You can't just do it in one day, dog. Need like probably a weekend, dog, of just torture. Like to close where you have to almost call human services, almost. You know what I'm saying? But not a mad thing. Not the super mad thing.
Numbers 31910. This is my playground. You want to come up in here?
Check
you can
fraud.
come play with me. Oh, you pretty? You light skinned? You think you got it going on? You don't do up in here. Nothing. This is my house. I don't give a damn about none of y'all. You think your hair pretty? I'll take all that out your motherfucking head. Get the hell out my face, y'all. Move. I ain't playing. You want to keep your hair and all done? These cameras. People get molested in here. People get beat up in here. I ain't gonna tell you no more. Get the out my face. Move. If I tell you one more time, get the camera out my face. I ain't playing with you. I ain't playing with you. Get the hell out my face. I ain't playing with you.
I ain't playing with you. Alright, that what I can tell. She was kind of, you know what I'm saying, doing the little thing for the man, you know what I'm saying? Like, she was putting on the show, but she did it well.
I'm gonna lay down on the table. Somebody throw me a white sheet. You gonna see.
Whoa.
This still is cold, ain't it?
Whoa. I thought he was in a female. Wait, whoa. Got the voice. Lay down on the table. Lay down. I was like, it's a girl. It's not a girl.
I ain't playing with you.
Table. lay down on the table.
Nigga, throw him down like... Bro, imagine one day he's throwing you down on the table, but he ain't throwing you down on the table to, you know what I'm saying, for the show. You know what I'm saying? He's throwing you on the table to put on a show, nigga, on you, nigga.
Throw me a white sheet. You gonna see. This still is cold, ain't it? Guess what? You are officially a dead man walking.
Wait, what? I don't get that one. Man, them just cover himself.
Dead man walking.
God damn. That's probably the most peace he's ever gotten it since he's been inside that shit fam with the white sheet over his head laying down.
Gang.
I see tough cause we behind these bars. All right. You tough cause
You got tough, right?
Like, like Cliff is famous. Gang, 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 gang. I don't fuck with you if you don't gang bang. You don't remember that song? Go and look up that song, bro. Where even is that nigga? Yeah, man. But anyway, continue.
You got tough, right?
You got tough.
Huh? How tough are you? Show me.
Yeah.
Show me.
We're gonna be laughing at you when you start crying later on. We'll break you down.
Why don't you show me?
Show me, nigga.
Huh? Let it happen. You soft, boy.
Scared.
You soft.
Away from me.
What you gonna do?
You're already crying. Look at
What you gonna do?
What I tell you, I'm gonna laugh at you now.
What you gonna do?
There's a stop spinning. Like, you was just laughing 2 seconds ago, little nigga. Like, what?
What you gonna do?
What I tell you, I'm gonna laugh at you now.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do? Shut up.
Hey, see this? This keep the mice out from eating up everything I got. The mice in here look like cats.
Cats.
Because they eat.
They eat.
They eat. You want to live like this? Let me.
No.
You know this?
You know this nigga?
On the set, I ain't never seen you nowhere on the west or the east. Get your ass up on your push-ups.
What? And that nigga is 17. He should be in here, bro. But nigga, it was too late for him, bro. He already caught his case and done the mad thing. Niggas claim to be from a gang. They showed him someone that's, you know, the top nigga in the gang, and you don't even know. Yeah, man. Fuck a gang.
Yes, let me.
No.
You wanna know what happened? Pipe on the set? No. I ain't never claim this game. You wanna know what happened? Pipe on the set? No. I ain't never seen you nowhere on the west or the east. Get your ass up on your push-ups. You 60 for the set. Right here we need 60 for the set, homie.
We need 60 for the set.
Get your ass up, homie. Get your ass up, homie. You ain't hard. You ain't hard, homie. You ain't hard. I'll knock your ass out, homie.
Nigga. Yeah, I'll knock your ass out. I don't know why, bro, but just something about that, it kind of get me hyped, because I'm ready, like, I wish a nigga would run up on me, like, ah! Like, I'm trying to tell you guys, like, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, like, I have my things that I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's deep, it's deep. It's deep, fam. But yo, let's just continue, bro.
Look where I'm at now. Grown man.
Wait, what?
You ain't hard.
You ain't hard,
I'll knock your ass out, huh?
I messed up. Look where I'm at now. Grown man. Hey, let me get a suit. Nah. Give me that suit.
Give me that suit.
Take your suit.
Take your suit. What y'all gonna do? Cause him can't fight him, dog. Hey, dog. Man, them get involved in the badness so young. I end up in a jail with some 30, 40, 50-year-old man. And here there's a 13-year-old, bro. Like, fam. Bro, and 11-11 as well. Like, I wish everybody good luck. They fucking gay.
Oh, he said y'all. He said y'all. We gonna find out who's gonna be on the knee. You win.
You win.
Come on, that's what you want to be.
Which one you want to be? Yeah. Yeah. Come in, nigga. You want to use the F word? You want to use the F word? Come in. Come in. Come on, I'm trying to touch you. Come here, I'm trying to touch you, boy. Oh man, that's mad. So I like that clip though. Say that again, young nigga. Say that again. Say that again, cause bro, you see how his energy change as soon as all right.
Why you ain't going there?
Why you going there?
Huh?
Oh, he said y'all.
He said
Yeah.
We gonna find out who gonna be on
They knees. You is.
Come on, that's what you want to be. That's what you want to be.
Yeah. Yeah, bring him in here. Yeah, come here. Let me touch you, little nigga. Come in. Wait, pause. That sounds so. I'm playing the niggas behind the bars. Nigga got orange Crocs. I need some of those.
I want you to say one Corporal Kano. One Corporal Kano. Two Corporal Kano.
Yeah, little girl.
Hey, cover up. Cover up. Turn around.
Bro, she really swung on an officer, dog? Hell no, she should have got like body drop, nigga.
Put handcuffs on her, that's all you can do.
The wrong thing to do. Yep, that's under arrest.
Yeah, because you just hit a police officer. Bro, she really swung on the cop. Yeah, and the cop got her back still. Yeah.
Cover up.
Turn around, put handcuffs on her, that's all you can do.
That's all you gonna do.
Wrong thing to do. Yep, that's under arrest.
See, I know you have an actual charge now. You went on the show to a lesson to be taught to you. I know you leave it with an actual charge. You see what I mean, bro? Sometimes when you have to take them there to prove the point, it's too late, bro. The point ain't gonna get proven. It's too late, fam.
You got something on your mind? You know what you need to do, right? Yeah. What?
Oh! What?
Keep running your eyes, you might get stuck like that one day.
Yeah.
Keep trying.
Keep trying.
Yeah, that's what's up.
That's what's up.
Say something. You look like you want to do something. I mean, I'm right here. Ain't no space and opportunity, homeboy. They call me Lil D on the streets or whatnot.
He said Lil D on the streets or whatnot.
Terry, I'm pregnant. I swear I am.
Pregnant?
Yes.
And if you got a roommate, you gotta watch this man pee while his thing right there in front of your face, like, bro, I don't wanna see your thing, bro. Then when you want on the toilet, you gotta watch on the toilet. You gotta smell his boo-boo. I don't wanna smell no other boo-boo.
Sometimes you just gotta put it plain and simple like that. I don't wanna smell no other nigga boo-boo, nigga. And the nigga be like, yeah, I don't think I wanna be bad no more because I don't wanna smell no other niggas boo-boo, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it just takes that. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my God. Wow, that's amazing.
You gotta smell his boo-boo. I don't wanna smell no
I wanna smell that man boo-boo.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Get out of here! Let's go! Let's go! Move! Move! Move!
Get up! Ain't no sleeping in the prison. Watch out, boy. Stand up. Come here. Make sure you are. You all right? You know where you at? Huh? Where you at?
Prison?
Where are you, sir?
Prison.
Hold your head up. Boy, he was sleeping good.
Go ahead and back up.
You know when you sleep good and you have the mark on your face. Man was so stressed out, the man had to take a 5 in prison and slept well. He was getting ready, bro. He's preparing himself for the future.
Be more in your face. I don't give a crap. I don't care. Hitting your mom. She takes care of you no matter what. Puts a roof over your head, buys that clothes you got on, and you're gonna hit her?
On my face.
I will stay in your face all day long. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
It's when you're in here.
Yes,
you
sir.
do what
that nigga, bro, you think after that nigga leaves, it's gone too bad, bro. The nigga ain't affected by none of the shit y'all doing. He don't care. Every time y'all niggas get up to him, he's like, man, y'all better get out of my face, bro. Bro, he's gone. As soon as he left that show, that nigga went and threw up his gang signs right after that, dog. You understand? Poor guy.
Stand me.
Yes, sir.
When you're in here, you do what you're told. It's not up to you where your house.
Deuce, what set you from?
First of all, who the fuck was that nigga banging the cage? And then that nigga on the wall, that nigga is take up 90% of the wall.
Yes, sir.
When you're in here, you do what you're told. It's not up to you where your
Who the
house.
fuck is that?
Deuce.
And then who is this guy in the middle, bro? Bro, that nigga takes up 80% of the screen.
What set you from?
Playboy Gangsta Crib.
You want to talk to him?
Yeah.
Take the cuffs off.
Yeah.
60s, huh?
Yeah. Playboy Gangsta Crib.
call me Big Deuce.
Big Deuce.
Look at me in my eyes. You from 60s, ain't you? Put your hands to your side. Look at me in my eyes when I'm talking to you.
Now you tell your mom when you leave here, Mom, I promise you, I won't gangbang again.
My name
I
is Sean.
promise you I won't gangbang again. Bro, if I seen that nigga, bro, I won't even go outside again. I promise you. Because I know I'm going to see that nigga, bro. And when I see that nigga again, I'm not going to like it. Jesus Christ. Look at the smile on his face. Just taking the clip again, bro. I thought the guy in the middle was going to do a, you know what I'm saying? It said Playboy Gangsta Crib.
What set you from?
Playboy Gangsta Crib.
You want to talk to him?
Yeah.
Take the cuffs off.
Yeah.
60s, huh?
Yeah.
They call me Big Deuce.
Bro, the man has tattoos on his head for a hairline. I don't ever want to fuck with somebody like that.
Look at me in my eyes. You from 60s, ain't you? Put your hands to your side. Look at me in my eyes when I'm talking to you.
Now you tell your mom when you leave here, Mom, I promise you, I won't gangbang again.
My name is Sean.
Hey.
I'm 14 years old. I get in trouble for fighting in school, getting suspended. I'm dangerous.
I'm dangerous.
Let me get them shoes, bro. I ain't playing with you. Let me get them shoes. Give them up. Nothing is yours anymore.
May I get my shoes back, please?
Let them go in and get it. Get him. Come in here and get him.
Might want to reconsider your approach. How did I tell you to respond to
May
somebody?
I get my shoes back, please?
You, your mama, and everybody else. How about it? All your dead relatives. I don't give a. Nobody's gonna
bad.
make me do my thing. I do what the I want to do, and I'm tired. I don't want to do anything else. Hey, you mean?
One in there, have a seat.
Yeah, she too late for her already, bro. Too late. You know what I'm saying? She need to go to the army or boot camp or something.
I don't think this is gonna work out.
You see it? Bro. The officers shared my opinion. You know what I'm saying? After a while, it's like, hey, man, I don't think this is going to work out, bro. Like, I think it's too late, bro. Like, it's too late for this one. Might as well just keep her here until, you know what I'm saying, before she does something that we need to actually, you know what I mean? But, yo, this was hilarious, dog. And my laptop is fucking up, so I need to hurry up and finish this video before it fucks up the recording. So, yo, I was going to talk a lot about it, but I've been talking for the past 40 minutes. We've been enjoying it. Jump in the comments. I can literally hear the shit ready to fuck up. Jump in the comments. I reply to all comments. Jump in the comments for no reason. Like the video for no reason. KOGENCY on the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And about this motherfucker, man. I'm sorry. I don't want my shit to fuck up. Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you,